Hi guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to hunt sea trout here in Denmark. I will do it in English because I know there's a lot of you guys that don't understand Danish, so of course I have to try it in English. It's the middle of August, it's summer, but it has been a very cold summer this year. That is actually pretty good for the sea trout fishing, so I hope that I will catch some today. I'm fishing after sea trout here in Denmark, and we always fish with our own lures. We make our lures ourselves, and you can see it on our YouTube channel where I show how I made this lure, which we call hookormen. Hookormen is the Danish word, of course. It means, hook means have a bite, that the fish have a bite, and orm means worm, so it's a bite worm translated. But in Denmark we have a snake called hookormen, and that is the inspiration for this lure's name. It's a line through lure. At the moment all our lures are line through lures, which means that the line going through the lure, and then you have the hook at the end. The tide have come up, and in about a half an hour it will top. I hope that the fish will come in with the tide, but let's see. I was here some days ago, and I saw a big fish jump, but it was too far out so I can throw to it. So beautiful fish, very big. So I hope that the fish will swim with the tide in, and hopefully we can get one to bite. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, there was something just at the end. Ah. Oh, there was something again. It was very small. I think it was some Sandians or something. That's actually also why I fish with this lure, because it's imitated Sandian pretty good. There are a lot of those at the moment, and the sea trout just love those. Oh, there was something in the surface. Yeah, oh, there. Yeah. Ah, no. Oh, a small one. I don't know if it's still on camera. Oh, it was a tiny one. It was so cool. It's not the small ones I'm after, but if I hook them okay and they are okay and so on, it's nice to have some action. And I know that if there are small ones, there are bigger ones as well. Yeah. That's a good one. It's a good one. Yeah, it's a good one. Ooh, that's definitely sea trout. Beauty. Nice. Where is it? There. Small, but nice. Ah, beauty. Hey buddy. Oh, a small one. Strong one. Thought it was bigger actually. Here in Denmark the sea trout have to be 40 centimeters before you can take it home, but I almost never take fish home that size. Out with you, buddy. Come on again, buddy. Whee! Cool. Good start. Fishing for about 10 minutes max. Filled it and then got it. It's a small one, but it's fish. Yep. I switched the lure. Now I try with the raw eel. This one. It is a sand eel imitation. The reason it's called raw eel is because it's not painted. It's completely raw metal. It throws like an arrow. It's about 19 grams. It's a little more calm now. And then, oh yeah, that was a bite. Now it's time for the last lure on this spot. This is spidsmusen. I don't know the word in English. Musen means mice. Spids means spids. And this, oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. That is a good one. This is a good one. Whoa, this is a good one. It's a beautiful summer fish. First throw of spidsmusen Mike Mackerel. It's funny because this lure, it was the first line throw lure I made, and the color pattern was the first that I came up with, and it has just been a lure that I've caught so many fish with this one. Oh, this is a beauty one. This is definitely a beauty one. Oh my god, what a beauty. What a beauty. Beautiful. Oh, that's nice. Nice. And that's funny, and this thing, we're trying different lures, because I don't think this just came up now, or I think it's been there the whole time, of course, but there have been something with the other lures that I have thrown that has just not been the thing that it wants. So it's very important actually to switch through different lures, because the lure behave differently. Oh, that's a beauty. What a beauty. Whoa, yeah. Yeah. What? Yeah. Beauty. Wow, what a fish. What a fish. Nice. It's hard to see the size of it, but you can see my hand here. What a beautiful fish. It's so nice to come out here. I haven't fished that many times for the last year because we got twins and they came 3 months too early. So we stayed at the hospital for 2 months, and yeah, it has just been baby and making sure that they have it, that they will survive and so on, and everything is good. And now there's time to go out fishing again. And then I caught a beauty like this. This is just unbelievable. Look at this babe. Whoa, that's so beautiful. That is so beautiful. Wow, so beautiful. I will try to let it go. I haven't got any camera with me other than the GoPro, so I hope I can have a nice release of it here. I think it's about, you can see it, really see it here, it's about 60 centimeters, I think. Beauties. Here you go, Ben. Come on here, baby. Yeah. Oh, this is a nice one. Look at this. Look at this beautiful fish. Whoop, there you go. See you later, buddy. Kommer du igen, Betty? That was nice. There wasn't any more sea trout for me today, but what a beauty of a summer fish. Whoa, that's so nice, so nice. Thank you for watching, and until we see you again. I don't see you, but maybe you see me. Yeah, okay. Until we see you again. Oh, what I'm still saying that. I just want to say thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. No more fish for me today, but what a beauty of a summer sea trout. Wow, so nice. So nice. Thank you for watching. Tight lines.